If it is possible, as far as it depends on you, live at peace with everyone. Romans chapter 12, verses 18.
Hello, family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back.
The holidays are getting closer and closer, and in an African Ghanaian home like mine, I always want to make sure I have some smoked fish at home. I know if you live in Ghana, it is so easy for you to get this smoked fish in the market. Here in abroad, it is not part of the luxury that we have in Ghana, and even if you find them, they're super expensive, and I feel like they don't even taste just like home. So let me show you how to make your own smoked catfish, smoked mackerel, and smoked Baracuda fish right at the comfort of your home. It's really easy, and all that you need is to grab your fish of choice, and I chose the Baracuda fish here because it's nice and firm and very thin. That kind of reminds me of the bigger ankwangwana that we have in the market. I feel like it tastes so good too in most of our traditional soups, and this holiday season I just want to treat my family and loved ones with the very best. So what I love to do here is to peel off the scale and make sure I get rid of all the unwanted intestines and all the guts. Tell me in the comment section, I would like to know your favorite smoked fish. Please do not forget to also like and share if you are enjoying the recipe already. Alright, so yes, this Baracuda fish, the only downside to it is the scales that come on it, but it's really easy to even work with that. So I'm going to get rid of the guts, get rid of all the grills as well, and I'll do same with the catfish, the mackerel fish, and yeah, after that I'll just wash it very nicely and cut it into the sizes that I prefer. I decided to cut the catfish even though I love it when it's nice and round but this was really huge. There was no point doing it that way, so I ended up cutting it into manageable sizes. It's also way to, easy to save because I'm not going to use obviously the whole catfish in one soup recipe. It's going to make me save it better, right, doing it this way. This catfish was really huge. For the Baracuda fish, I wanted to make it like very nice and authentic as we will see in the market. Do you know how much this is going to cost you? Especially when they make it round like this. It's such an expensive fish, really, I'm not going to lie. It's very delicious, so I think it really deserves it. So I put the tail right in the head and secured it with my kebab sticks, looking very authentic. Now, our fish is thoroughly clean and very fresh, ready for the oven. What I like to do is tap it dry and make sure I get rid of the excess liquid on it because I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt. That's all I use, just so that it becomes nice and flavorful right from the beginning, so that when you use it in your soups and stews, you do not want to overly season it again. The catch here is you want a little bit of smokiness in your fish, and I don't have any wood that would give me that. So in my baking form, I am going to spread some baking sheets in there, and on top of it I'll put my rake and then arrange my fishes right on top, and I'm going to put it right in the oven. This is going to grab all the juices from the fish while it is grilling, and when it is overly heated, it is also going to transform into this smoky feeling that is going to give the fish that authentic aroma and taste that we normally have back home. That is my top-notch secret that I've been doing in this house, and it works all the time. So I smoked this fish at 175 degrees for about 40 minutes, and I got rid of the mackerel fish and the Baracuda fish because I don't want it to be as hard and dry as the catfish, and I went ahead to put the catfish back in and I smoked it for another 40 minutes, and this is the result found. It is absolutely gorgeous. Just have a look at that. It just feels like you went back to the market in Ghana and got all these, but in reality you made it right at the comfort of your home. One downside is windows need to be open to get rid of the fishy smell sting in your house. You can also decide to boil some cinnamon, lime, a bit of oranges to get rid of the excess fishy smell. It just make it very fragranceful, and your house is going to be really refreshing by the taste. Yes, you have your smoked fish ready for your soups, for your stews, and all your lovely Ghanaian dishes. Thanks so much, family, for watching. I really hope that you pick up inspiration to make this right at the comfort of your home. This is definitely going to save you lots of money, especially we living in and abroad. And do not let your cravings kill you. You rather kill them. Just enter the kitchen and you're going to get it. If this is your first time here, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meals right at the comfort of your home. I love to share motivational kitchen recipes like this, and so what you have to do is just come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again. And as always, know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.